Let's wave our hands and say hello. It's time to let our colors flow. Where is the marker?
Where is the marker?
Where could it be? Under the plate of cookies, let's see. Ah, there you are, we found it, hooray! Draw the lines now, 1, 2, 3. Look at the palette, come choose a hue. Red, yellow, black.
Which color will you choose? Red, yellow, or black?
What do you think? Let's pick the blue. Dip your finger, let's make a bird line. Count them out loud, you're doing just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count backwards, let's try it again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 bright birds, oh look what we've done. With the black liner, draw eyes and a wing. Oh look, a wonderful magical thing. One little bird flies down from the wire, walking around, she doesn't get tired. Look at her footprints through the glass. Listen closely as the birds pass. What do they say? Chirp, 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 chirp. Show the bird picture, it's pretty and neat. Now grab a brush and a brand new sheet. Write down 2 numbers, 6 and 7. Green watery grass grows under the heaven. Draw a big cloud so long and so gray. Look, Mr. Sun wants to come out and play. Can you catch the sun? Oops, it jumped away. Try it again. Got it, no sun today. Let's connect the numbers, let's trace the line. The head and the body are doing just fine. Draw our 2 flappy ears, a nose and a tail. Color him brown, let's follow the trail. But his eyes are so sad, where do we begin?
How can we help the puppy?
He's wet from the rain, oh let's color him in. Put it in a file, let's slide it right through to make some more puddles brand new. Cut a white napkin, look, puddles appear. Glue them right down on the grass over here. 3 little jars of water we bring. Red, yellow, blue, let's choose the right thing. Which is the best color? What do you say? What fits the best for a rainy day?
What fits the best for a rainy day?
It's blue like the rainy skies. You chose the best one, you are so wise. Squeeze the pipette, let it drink from the cup. Fill it with water and lift it right up. Now make it rain, let the droplets fall. 1, 2, and 3, we can count them all. Drip, drop, see how they cry. So many tears from the clouds in the sky. Grab your stick and push drops around, chasing the droplets over the ground. Run, little raindrops, run to the pool, mixing together, oh that is so cool. Looking at the napkin, slurp, slurp, slurp. Drinking the blue paint, burp, burp, burp. The puddle is growing, it's magical, wow. Look at our drawing, it's colorful now. Open the paper umbrella right now. Give him a bone and look at him, wow. Our puppy is happy, he's smiling at last. All of the rain is gone in